We all wish to lead a stress free life. For that, we need to have a proper financial plan in hand and also investment schemes that help us lead a stress free life. Today, in this video, we will see whether this LIC Jeevan Azad plan help you attain a stress free life. Let us discuss this plan in detail and also analyze its IRR. By that, we would come to know whether this plan would be beneficial for us in the long run or not. Hi, and welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take right financial and investment decision. LIC Jeevan Azad plan is non-linked, non-participating individual saving life insurance plan. Now let's take a look into its features, benefits and also its IRR analysis, and also compare it with the pure term insurance along with ELSS or PPF. By that we would come to know whether to invest in this plan or not as an investor, or will this plan help us achieve our future milestones or not. Now let's see the features of this LIC Jeevan Azad plan. It is a limited premium endowment policy. The policy provides a guaranteed lump sum amount at the time of maturity. The death benefit can be claimed either in lump sum or in installments. It offers additional riders to enhance the life cover. The maturity amount can be received in installments instead of lump sum. There are two benefits available in this LIC Jeevan Azad plan. The first one is death benefit, the second one is maturity benefit. In death benefit, the policyholder's unfortunate demise, then the higher of the premium will be paid. It can be basic sum assured or 7 times of annualized premium. The death benefit shall not be less than 105% of the total premium paid up till the date of death. The second one is maturity benefit. On life assured surviving stipulated date of maturity, sum assured on maturity, which is equal to basic sum assured, will be payable. Now let's see the advantages of this LIC Jeevan Azad plan. The benefits received from the policy are guaranteed amount. This is premium rebate for yearly, half-yearly mode, high sum assured, and also for premium paying term for more than 7 years. Loan can be availed up to 90% of the surrender value. Tax benefit as per Section 80C and Section 1010D. Let's see the potential disadvantages of this LIC Jeevan Azad plan. The sum assured is too low. The maximum sum assured allowed in this policy is only rupees 5 lakh. The lock-in period is for 2 years. For 2 years, if you want to achieve any short-term financial goal or for any emergency purposes, then this fund will not be that beneficial. There is no loyalty addition or any other bonuses available in this policy like there is in other policies. The maturity benefit from this policy will not aid you achieve your financial goals. The potential return from this policy might not help you beat the inflation on the long run. We as investors or policyholder, before choosing any policy or investment vehicle, it is always better for us to analyze its potential return. By that, we would come to know whether this plan would be beneficial for us in achieving our future milestones. Now let's see LIC Jeevan Azad IRR analysis. For this, let us make certain assumptions by which comparing it would be easier. Now there is an investor whose age is 30 years, his sum assured is 5 lakhs, policy term is 20 years, premium paying term is 12 years, and his annual premium is 23,622. This benefit illustration is taken from LIC website, and if you see the IRR analysis of LIC Jeevan Azad plan, it has an IRR of 3.83%, which is slightly higher than bank saving rate but much lower than even bank FD rate. There are also certain investment vehicle which can generate a better IRR than this. So if you see, as investors, we have to look at its alternatives by which we can attain our financial goals and also give our family the required financial protection. Now let us compare this LIC Jeevan Azad plan with a pure term insurance along with PPF or ELSS. By that we would come to know whether this plan would be beneficial for us as investors in the long run and also help us achieve our financial goals or not. For that, let us assume a similar cash flow so that comparing it would be easier. Here a person takes a pure term insurance along with PPF or ELSS of his choice. Here the sum assured is 5 lakhs, policy term is 20 years, premium paying term is 10 years, annual premium is 3,500. Remaining he can invest in PPF or ELSS as per his choice, that can be 20,122. If you see from this table, a pure term insurance along with PPF can generate an IRR of 6.16%, whereas a pure term insurance along with ELSS can generate an IRR of 10.43%. If you see, PPF and ELSS both can generate better returns when compared to LIC Jeevan Azad plan, and PPF is low risk investment and ELSS is high risk investment. So as investor, we have to look at all investment vehicles and then choose the right investment vehicle where we can get inflation beating returns. If you see, a pure term insurance along with ELSS can produce an IRR of 10.43%, which is inflation beating return, and which will be beneficial for you as an investor to achieve your future milestones as well as your financial goals. So as an investor, before choosing an investment vehicle, it is always better to see its IRR analysis. By that, we would get a clarity of how this investment vehicle works for you in the future, and also will this investment vehicle help you achieve your financial goals. Now let's see the final verdict on LIC Jeevan Azad plan. It is an endowment plan where you pay a premium for limited time and you receive a lump sum amount at the maturity benefit. The life cover is also provided in the policy term period, but the sum assured can't exceed rupees 5 lakhs. So there are other investment vehicles in the market which can be more beneficial to you as an investor to invest in. So you as an investor, neither you get adequate life cover nor you get better return under this LIC Jeevan Azad plan. So always opt for better yielding investment option to have stress-free life. And if you see, as an investor, we need to remember this: any investment vehicle or policy that gives dual benefit to investors will not be beneficial in the long run. So choose your investment vehicle or policy wisely, catering to your financial goals and needs. A detailed analysis on LIC Jeevan Azad plan is available in our website in the form of a blog post, the link to which is given in the description below. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.